Okay, so once you have your Google Classroom set up, if you're not sure how to get to it, the easiest way is to do your little drop down over here and click Google Classroom. So this is going to take you to where all of your classes are that are listed. So if you watch video 1, you can see this is the sample class that we set up in that video. Next, what we're going to do, I want to hop over and just quickly look at the settings. So if you click the little cogwheel, you're going to see that you have choices over some settings. So here you see your class code once again, so that you can use that to help students join. The stream, that was that main thing. You can choose that students can post and comment there. You can make it so students can only comment. So that means you would be posting things and students can comment, or you can make it that only you can do that. That's something that you want to think about based on how you're planning on using Google Classroom. The classwork stream. This is, so when students turn in assignments, it will show up under the assignment part, but it will also show up in the stream depending on how you have this set up. I like to hide notifications so that all I'm really seeing in the stream are things that students and or parents might be posting that are questions they have for me to answer. And I just look at assignments, which I'm going to show you in a moment. I just look on assignments under kind of the grade section. I find it a little bit confusing when everything is coming into the stream as to like what I'm commenting on as grades and what I'm commenting on the stream. So I set it as hide notifications. Under grading, you'll want to, if you're using this as your grade book, you'll want to set this up. So if you can either do total points, weighted categories. I just do total points. That's up to you. I show the grades to students. I want them to be able to see that. If you want to have grade categories, this is where you set this up. So everything under settings, once you have it how you like it, you're going to click save. Okay, so we are going to pop into one of my other classes so that I can show you a couple different things. So when we go under grades, if you actually have students, this is what you as the teacher is going to see. Your students are not going to see all of this. Your students are only going to be able to see their grade and their assignments. So what you'll be able to see here, you can see all the assignments, you can see the point value, you can see the grades, and then really easily you can see what are people missing, what have people turned in. So this makes it pretty nice. The other thing you can do, so this person has a grade, I could click right here. And so if maybe there was a question, they say they have a question about their week 7 assignment, I could go ahead and click view submission. So what I like about this is then this takes us right to what was submitted. You can see the work, and whatever comments are inside of it. So let's go ahead and look at how do you grade something. So classwork. These are all the things that have been assigned. We'll go ahead and click here. And right now I can see I've graded 2. It's been assigned to 15. And 6 have turned it in that I haven't graded yet. So if I click on this, I'm going to see the 6 things that I still need to grade. So as you grade things, you just go ahead and click on it. And actually, this isn't the best example because she always turns. We'll look at this one. This will be a better example. So as students turn things in, what I really like, so you can go ahead and just hit, whoops, I didn't want to do that. You can just like in any Google Doc, you can leave comments. So I will tend to like give them feedback all along the side. The other thing that you can do, so over in this column, you can add private comments. You can write as much as you want there. Then you enter the grade that they're getting and you hit return. This sends it back to the student so they can see all of your feedback and they see what their grade is. This right here also makes it show up in the grade book. So everything is kind of happening in one seamless system that makes it really easy, hopefully, for you to grade students'